Hey everybody, welcome in. Today we're going to go over two of the most important topics to start with if you're new to reselling online. So these two topics are so important because it will determine if it's worth picking the item up to make money, and it will determine how much you should ask for each item. Okay, so let's say you have the item you want to sell. The question I get most often is, how much should I sell the item for? The answer is very easy. It's called sold comps. And let me show you how to do it. Okay, so let's say you have a pair of men's 511 Levi jeans and you want to know how much they're going for. Open up your eBay app, and at the top in the search bar, let's type in men's Levi's 511 jeans, and we're going to enter in the size as well to be specific, size 34 by 30. Then press enter. So once you press search, you'll see all sorts of different 511 jeans pop up. Different colors, new, used, all sorts of prices. So how do we figure out the price we want to list ours at? In the top right, click on the filter tab. Below that, you'll see condition. Click on condition and you'll see new and used. If yours are used, click used. It'll pop up a whole bunch of different Levi jeans and how much people are asking for them. But what we need to know is how much they're actually selling for. So click on that filter tab again. Then below, click show more. Scroll down and you'll see sold just underneath completed listings. Click on the sold listings. Click on that search bar below it and it will populate all the listings that have sold in the past 90 days. Now keep in mind the shipping. Are you shipping it for free or are you having the buyer pay for shipping? This will help you determine how much to list your item for or if it's worth picking the item up at all. Okay, so now you know how to look up sold comps. So that will help you price out your item that you already have. It's going to also help you out in a thrift store determine if it's worth picking up an item to resell it online. Now, the second piece of advice I'm going to give you is just as important as sold comps, and that's the sell-through rate. This will also determine if it's worth picking that item up or not, and how quickly it will sell for you. Let's dive in. All right, so let's click on that eBay app again, and let's look up something out there that we come across every day, something that's super saturated, which means there's a lot of them out there in the market for sale. I'm going to look up a men's Tommy Hilfiger button shirt. Now, you can look up anything you want, but this is just an item that I'm going to use as an example. All right, click on that search bar and you'll see again thousands of Tommy Hilfiger shirts, new and used, for sale. Click on that top filter button again and press condition. You'll see used. There are over 22,000 currently for sale. Click on that. Let's go ahead and press search so we can see all 22,000 items for sale currently on the market. Let's go back up to filter, go all the way down to sold listings. Click it. Go back up to used, and you'll see that only 2,000 have sold over the past 90 days. So that's only about a 10% sell-through rate, which is not very good. That means your item will sit for quite a long time. You want a higher sell-through rate, like 100%. Okay, so now you have two of the most important parts of starting a resale business. You're able to look up sold comps, how much they actually sell for, and you're able to look for the sell-through rate. So how quickly those items sell for if they sell at all. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them and get out and thrift.